since I'm going to make a big dinner tonight, I'm going to use my okra in the garden. So let's go, follow me and we'll harvest our okra. Hello everybody, welcome back again to Jonalyn and the American Guide. This is Jonalyn, and if you are new to our channel, I'm Jonalyn. I'm currently working in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, and I'm currently working for our K1 visa. And while waiting for our K1 visa, I'm still working here as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. So today I just want to share to you a glimpse of the day of my life as a domestic helper here. So stay with me and I give you enumeration of my life being an OFW. So today is another day, it's Saturday, and we have a dinner tonight. This kitchen is kind of mess. Yes, it's kind of mess because, well, I haven't started my work yet. So since I'm going to make a big dinner tonight, I'm going to use my okra in the garden and I'm going to pick it now for my dinner. I'm going to make it prawn curry for dinner for my boss and a friend. So let's go, follow me and we'll harvest our okra. So this is my pineapple. Very yellow now. It's really sunny here and hot. I feel like I'm sweating to death. I also have some spring onion. I have some basil. So if you want to cook, it's just go to the garden and just pick whatever you want. And this is what I like. I like this kind of life, you know, just plant whatever you can. And also I have guyabano. We call this in the Philippines papana. So this is guyabano. I bought it from my mom's place as seeds, and then I plant in here, and it looks really nice in here. But the problem is that on winter, because this is a warm weather plants, but that's very tall now. It's very tall now, and on winter they will lose a lot of leaves and nothing left, just a stem, and they will start to grow back again. And I planted it, I think, for 6 years now, and it's still not making fruit because in the winter they falling leaves. And actually I think it's not suitable for this plant, but I still want to try because my boss liked it. And this is my lime. You can see this is the lime. There's a pot actually here. There's some pot here. I also planted a few papaya and some more of the pineapple. I planted a few because you can actually, if you want to plant pineapple, you can actually break this one on the top, just break it and then put this in the water, and it will just grow very fine. And then when they start to grow and happy, you can just plant it on the ground. And some people, they say you don't do that because you will kill the pineapple. It's not really true, because that's what I'm doing for the past few years now, and I have been harvesting my pineapple. Once last year I think I harvest 3 pineapple, and this year I only harvest 2 because one pineapple is died for whatever reason, I don't know. Also the other day I show you my tomato, and because they grow very quickly, I replant them, I repot them. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is 2 weeks and a half old, I think. And this is I put a label on it so that I won't forget. So this is a yellow tomato, you know, that's yellow, like it's not cherry tomato, but it's smaller and yellow, it's about this size. And this yellow tomato still, and look at that. I also repotted them so that they can go. This one I already repotted. This one is the name is Money Maker. This tomato is very big fruit, you know, that you can find from the market. This type of tomato. And I also have my dill. I have my dill herbs. There's only a few growing. I think I did the wrong thing here. I'm trying to plant them when the weather is too hot, so this suffering from it. So now let's go from my garden and pick some okra for dinner. I got just a few because they're already finishing. I already collected some inside the house, so I think it should be enough for dinner tonight. So tonight I'm going to make a basmati rice, which is an Indian rice. It's just a plain rice, so I'm going to cook that for dinner. And I also have a spinach. You can see spinach. Yeah, I'm going to make a spinach yogurt, something like that. I'm not familiar with the recipe because it's new to me, so I will it out later. Put that there. And my boss friend bought some big mango, that. And also I got seeds from my okra. This is for next year, for the next helper to work it out, because next year I'm not gonna be here next summer. So I just put it there. And I have this cauliflower. I'm going to make this a cauliflower rice. What I'm gonna do is just scrape it very fine and just eat it like that. Just sprinkle some salt or pepper and then serve it on the table as a rice, but it's a cauliflower. So if you want to trying to do some diet and you're not going to eat rice or carbohydrates, this one is one of the substitutes. And you can either bought it from the market frozen, or you know, so this is fresh. So this is one thing that you can try. Just spread some butter or some salt and pepper, and it tastes nice. So I'll put that. I always wrap my vegetable into a paper, because this I put this a few days already, and if you put that in the fridge with the paper, so the paper will soak the moisture, so it will still keep fresh. I also have some CHAYOTE which I can make for dinner. So I'm cooking like 3 vegetables and 1 basmati rice. And 1 curry prawn. I also made yogurt. I'm very busy. I also made an ice cream, which a vanilla ice cream, ramen raisin ice cream. I did not vlog it because my boss is not here and it's not very easy, so it's already in the fridge ready for dinner. So I had a busy day today, and actually I need to make a roasted peanut, a Philippine style. You roast the peanut with a lot of garlic in it and some spicy. So I will update you again later, guys, if I have time. Hopefully I can update you what I've done, what I'm cooking, if they are not here yet. But if not, then see you again next week. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share.